because it's I don't know, maybe I don't have luck, or maybe I don't have that kind of connection to this oil pairing. So I'm actually not trading. I just outlook for you guys. So weekly chart, okay, on April we hit negative pricing, and then price actually eventually came back up all the way up, you see. So we need to respect technical as usual, you see. Price first hit MA10 first, and then next EMA 21, and then long term wise, yeah, price can actually hit my EMA 100 at around 50 zone. Okay, so we have a chat. Aaron, can I have a request on GJ weekly outlook? Okay, sure, bro. 1 second now. We go into oil first. So after oil, we go for GJ. So crude oil. Crude oil, okay, if we look at this price action on weekly, okay, price action here, is it? So big from below, which means we have buying pressure, is it? Buying pressure on these two candles. This two candle was around 15th of June, okay, which is last month, and then consolidation until today. So within this red box, so what actually happened in a smaller time frame? Okay, daily wise, we have the short-term moving average crossing the long-term. Okay, is also one of the signal for further upside. And then you can see that all these candles are having pressure from below. Okay, below. Oops, never mind. Let me use some drawing tools. Okay, see, buying pressure, and also buying pressure. So crude oil, we can see that we have creating a new higher high. Okay, see, and then here we actually getting double top, but still we have lower high, lower high, lower high. So still there's a sign for us. So let me clear everything. Yeah, clear everything. Let's go into 4 hour, my favorite time frame. So what happened in 4 hour? Okay, on my previous webinar, right, I call out for sell around 42. Okay, so price so far did not hit 42. Okay, because price still going around here. Okay, but what is more interesting is last week, okay, Friday, before closing, you see, price actually crashed, boom, and then we have these two candle instantly came back up. Okay, so the outlook for now, crude oil is actually having some bullish momentum. Okay, let me highlight for you guys. See these two candle actually cover back, just recover back from this drop. Okay, so we can see that there's a clear upside pressure, okay, buying pressure. So for crude oil, we need a clean break, okay, above this 41, then we can go higher to maybe 44 or maybe 50, okay, as we just go through the weekly chart. Okay, so crude oil, for those who are trading, okay, just be cautious because it's very volatile. Okay, if you ask me, I don't trade I don't trade crude oil. I will better go for UCAT, okay, because UCAT is actually having a positive correlation towards oil. So I will rather trade UCAT better than I trade the crude oil. So crude oil, nothing much. Crude oil clear, bullish bullish or buying pressure. Okay, so I don't have any clear trade entry, so I just give you guys a quick targets. Okay, if price would to go higher high, Okay, so the first target will be 44 and also 50 USD per barrel. Okay, so next we just now we have a request from Aaron. Aaron asking for GJ outlook. Okay, GJ actually GJ we will use pound as reference as usual. So where is my GJ? Okay, GJ. So what happened on my GJ? Oh, so messy. Never mind. We go for weekly first. Again, weekly. What happened? Okay. So weekly chart, we don't look too far. Okay, we just look at the recent pricing. So recent pricing. Okay, let me see. Yeah. So we can see that this is the zone. So the zone. So 139 and also the 129. Okay, within this 1,000 pips, right? 1,100, 1,000, yeah, 1,000 pips. So we are currently in between this I mean in the middle. Okay, so if we use MA line to as a reference, okay, what actually happening is that price actually went up here all the way and then get rejected from the EMA 100. See EMA 100 again, then price came back down and back up, and then if we look at the price action, right, you see all the wicks are actually from above, so which means we are actually having selling pressure. So weekly nothing much, we still within, I mean in the middle. Okay, so going into daily, what is happening in daily? Okay, let me clear this out. Okay, so daily, you see we are in between this we call it the pivot zone. You see this 133 to 134, right? This zone, let me highlight to you. Okay, this zone is actually the normal price. We call it, nothing much we can do about this. You see, it's like we stuck in this zone. You see, so for the game plan, right, will be simple. Okay, we buy anything around this zone. That's all. We use the previous price as a reference. Okay, so we know that price will always bounce from this 133. So we have in our mind is that 133 is a buy zone, and then 134 is a sell zone. Okay. Only if we have any like clear bullish sign or bullish momentum, then you can buy another direction or sell in another direction. But for me, daily chart, we actually still stuck in this zone. But one thing that I found is that, you see here, okay, we actually create a high here and then we came back down. So here, let me highlight to you. See, so you see here perhaps we can look at, I mean in long term wise, right? Okay, we have this bullish candle. Okay, so what we need right now is that we need a clear bullish candle, okay, to close above this zone, then we can go high. Okay, that's the plan. That's the outlook for myself. Okay, so next we'll be going into H4. Okay, Aaron, if you have any question, you can just shoot out. No problem. Okay, anything that you are not clear about what I'm saying here. Okay, so next, yeah, sure thing. Okay, so let me clear this out. Okay, H4 is it actually on my previous previous outlook is also upside actually. It's a clear upside for me, but that time price actually get rejected, you see, rejected on this zone and then boom, came back down and then create a double bottom. And then price slowly came back up again, following with GBP USD price action. Okay, just that if you compare GU with GJ, right, GU actually having more upside potential compared to GJ. Okay, so if you ask me, right, I would rather trade GU better than I trade GJ. Okay, but of course this is Japanese yen pair, so it's a bit different story here. Okay, so I just clear out everything. So let me draw again, redraw everything. Okay, let me check my chat. Okay, understood. Yeah, it's better that you trade GU. Okay, so if you use FIB, okay, so FIB price actually get support on 1.32. Okay, and then we create another high. So we use these two point to draw a trend line. Okay, so we need the third retest to confirm. Okay, as usual, if we follow textbook, right? Okay, so the plan is